Wow, look at this. Bitcoin on an absolute tear. Slammed through the resistance at 18,517. Currently trading at 19,168. Next level of resistance is at 19,849, I'd say. That would be our next level of resistance. If we break that, we should be heading to 23,922. And if we break that, where is our next resistance? If Bitcoin breaks the 23,922, we'd probably have to say over here. Or we could draw it, I guess, this resistance across to here. Nah, you know what? We're going to use this channel. This channel was resistance, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Hit this resistance 5 times. So we're going to make that resistance. And then it broke down. So we could actually make this resistance. This is one resistance. Oh, this lines up perfectly. Look at that. Amazing how the charts work. Okay, you know what? Forget it, because that's our target. So that would make a lot of sense. How do I delete this? Get out of here. All right, next target. Okay, so then this has to be the next resistance. The next resistance is the target. And then if we break that, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love TA. Okay. There we go. There we go, guys. Beautiful charting right here. So at this point, we could get rid of this because that target happens to line up with the resistance and it's making it look kind of ugly. Okay. So our target right now is about 19,850. If we break that, then we're going to 24,000. And then if we break 24,000, then we're probably headed to $37,000 Bitcoin. But here's the problem. If we hit this resistance and cannot break through it, then we're going to retest this channel. Okay. We're going to retest this channel. So we have a target of like 16,850. Maybe it'll go sideways, but if it breaks that support, then it's headed for 12,277. How about that, huh? How about that for technical analysis? Now, buy my affiliate link. Go click on my affiliate link, my Bybit affiliate link, and go get yourself wrecked and get me a commission. Kidding. There's no affiliate link, but there are some good links in there. We have my Furu newsletter in the description, so that's coming out later today. So just go into the description. I'll actually link it for you guys. We have the weekly newsletter, which is right here. This one is going to be, this is a very good one. It's a very good one. I spent some good time writing it. It's exclusive content. It's end-to-end encrypted, private. You can always unsubscribe. Go click the link in the description and join the Furu Finance newsletter every Friday. One coming out later, so you don't want to miss it. Go click the tiny URL. But yeah, so that's really that. And then if we break the 1277, it's probably hitting 11K in price. So we should just make that target the 11K in price target, okay? Right here, we're going down to 11K in price. We break this, it's 11K. We just have to say Richard Hart was right. And then we have to get the pray emoji. We have to get the pray emoji right over here and hope it doesn't go any lower. But the market is turning around, folks. So I would not be surprised if it doesn't hit 11K, because we have a lot of bullish news. We have the CPI 6.5. We have the rate hikes already going down. So the last one was 50. And I talk about this in depth in the newsletter also. But the next one is either going to be probably the last 50, and there may be one or two more 25s, and that's it. And that's really bullish. Imagine we get a 25 basis point rate hike this next FOMC. I mean, I think the market would rally. But I think we're probably going to get a 50. I think we're getting a 50 because the Fed does seem like they don't want to really telegraph to the market that they're going to pivot, and then inflation runs up again. They want to keep this inflation down, so I think they're going to do one more 50, two more 25s, and then they hold it. So right now we're in January, so February is 50, March is 25, April's 25, May, June, July, nothing, probably. August, maybe nothing. September, they're probably going to start lowering it. I mean, it's all going to depend on inflation, but if the CPI hits its 2% target, then we should be looking at a gradual lowering of the rates, and then we have. But that's already going to be bullish. Once the Fed says they're not going to bring rates down anymore, I think the markets are going to start rallying. So I'm very bullish. This is like the beginning of the end. Okay, it's not the end. It's not the end of the bear market. It's not the beginning of the bear market. It feels like the beginning of the end of the bear market. So that's how I describe it. That's your Bitcoin technical analysis. Very in-depth technical analysis. For more information, email me at furufinance@gmail.com and book a consultation. Join the Patreon. Wow, 19,267. It's really ripping. Is it going to break the 20K? I don't know. It might. Just might. But that's some good charting, guys. Come on, that's some nice charting.